Hi, welcome to the RSC Literacy Hub. My name is Kim, and today I'm here to share with you a literacy strategy that helps make remembering information easy. It's called summarizing. Summarizing involves putting it into your own words, a shortened version of a written or spoken material, stating the main points and leaving out everything that is non-essential. It takes some practice, but once you have it, it really saves a lot of time. Summarizing is more than just retelling. It involves analyzing information. It involves distinguishing important points from unimportant points. Fiction summaries usually contain information about the characters, problem, and the solution, and often includes a statement of the theme. Non-fiction summaries usually contain information about the main idea of the passage and important points of each paragraph. These answer who, what, when, where, why, and how questions. When I summarize, I rarely write full paragraphs. I use dot points and different colored highlighters. For example, if I'm reading a novel for school, I use a green colored highlighter to summarize the story in a few points. Then I do the same with characters in pink, main themes in blue, and the setting in orange. Using short dot points and colored pens, it makes learning visual and easy to remember.